Welcome. We're here with Nelson Carminatas of the Ticketstop.net. Nelson's going to answer questions for us about the need or the use of a ticket attorney to handle our traffic tickets. Welcome. Good morning, Nelson. How are you today?
Good morning, Manny. Thank you. Fine.
Okay. Well, I'm sure we have a subject here that is usually in the minds of a lot of people once they get stopped, especially in our fair city here. We get stopped a lot, right?
That's
Okay.
correct.
So the question is, why should I hire a ticket attorney versus taking care of the ticket myself?
Well, you can always take care of a ticket yourself. Do we recommend it? It's probably best to hire an attorney to handle these situations for you. There's a number of reasons for that.
Like what? What are the benefits of hiring you over trying to do it myself?
Well, first and foremost, you don't want to go to court and waste your time and lose time from work, money. There's no reason for you to go hang out in the court.
You mean it's not simple to go to take care of a ticket traffic ticket?
No, there's a lot of logistics.
I was being sarcastic there. Okay. So what do you do? What does a traffic ticket attorney like yourself, like the Ticket Stop, do for me? What do you do, and what is the process?
Well, we'll go to court for you, obviously. The benefits of hiring an attorney is, one, you're going to avoid the tickets that are going to be placed on your license.
You mean the points?
The points.
The points. Okay.
That will exactly.
Is that always for sure? I'm always going to avoid points?
Well, we will attempt in our efforts to avoid you getting the points on your license.
Okay, good.
Of course, it depends on your record, and it depends on a number of factors. But that's the most important thing. You want to avoid the points because that goes towards the suspension of your license.
Really? Like you have a certain number of points in Florida?
Exactly.
Like, okay. And what about insurance premiums?
They can go up too.
With the points?
Exactly. That's another issue.
Okay. What about school? Do I have to go to traffic school?
We will attempt to have you avoid going to school as well.
That's great. That's great. Okay. So what's the process? How do I hire you? What do I do? What does it cost? What's the whole process for me using your website?
Well, the base price is $69. That's where we started off. That's for most of the tickets. You will go to our website, theticketstop.net. You will enter in your ticket number, and you will also fax or scan us a copy of the actual ticket you received for our records. After that, we will enter the notice of appearance for you, and we will do everything necessary to process the case through the system.
Wow.
And we will notify you of the status.
Wow.
And
that sounds easy.
well, yeah, it is pretty simple.
And I don't have to go to court. I'm not going to have to.
No, you don't have to go to court.
Oh, wow, that's great. That's great. Well, fantastic. This has been some really wonderful information. It's helpful for me. Fortunately, I have a clean driving record, so
Good.
now I know if I ever get a ticket. Hope we don't. I'll send this over to you. I'll go to the Ticketstop.net and fax you the ticket, fill in the information. $69. Is that correct?
That's where they start, most of them.
Wonderful. Well, listen, I really appreciate you being here. This is great information. We're going to hopefully get together and have a couple more conversations about tickets, traffic tickets, and other subjects. So I really want to thank you for being here.
Okay, thank you. Pleasure.
Thank you.